What's up, y'all? So, this is what I eat in a day to lose weight. I'm currently in a calorie deficit. This, plus actively going to the gym 4 times a week, helps me lose weight consistently. And these are just some recipes to give you ideas of what you can make and what you can eat. So, I like to start off my day with coffee just to get that caffeine going, and it's also a good appetite suppressant, which helps me not eat in the mornings. I'll be using fat-free creamer, and honestly, finding fat-free, sugar-free alternatives to your favorite foods has been really helpful in keeping the calories low. I also like to incorporate a green supplement into my routine, and here I have Legion's green supplement. It comes out to about 70 calories per serving, and I'll have this in my coffee every morning. And altogether, they come to about 100 calories. So I'm usually having this around 9, 10 a.m. and then I'll usually just have that in the morning and then I won't eat until maybe 1 or 2 p.m. So next up we have lunch, and for lunch I usually have chicken in my French toast recipe. According to the packet, 136 grams of chicken is 140 calories. So I usually have 100 to 200 grams of chicken depending on what I'm gonna eat for dinner that day. So next up is my protein French toast. This recipe I got from my personal trainer, and I'm gonna be using protein powder. You can use whatever you want. I'm using Legion's whey protein powder, and I'll just use 1 scoop. This comes out to 120 calories per scoop. I'll also add half a cup of almond milk. I use almond milk because I don't like regular milk and it's lower in calories. And I'll also add 3 tablespoons of egg whites. Just try to find the lowest calorie egg whites you can. And then we just mix it all up. For my bread, I try to use the lowest calorie bread I can find. I am using Sara Lee 100% wheat, and it comes out to 130 calories per 2 slices, and I'm going to be using 4 slices. So I don't like having my chicken just by itself, so I like to add some sort of sauce. And I found that marinara is actually pretty low in calories, so I'll measure out 20 calories worth, which is about 40 grams of marinara sauce. So now I will finish off my French toast with some syrup and whipped cream, and I'm using sugar-free syrup, which comes out to 15 calories per serving. So I'll be using 4 tablespoons, which actually comes out to a lot of syrup for me. For my whipped cream, I'm using this almond milk Ready whipped cream, and you can use fat-free almond milk, but I think that has lower calories, but this one has 10 calories per 2 tablespoons, and I'll be using 4 tablespoons. So altogether, this French toast comes out to about 470 calories. So for dinner, I'm going to be having a pizza recipe that I also got from my trainer, and I'm going to be using this flatbread from Joe's Lavage Bread. Um, this bread is thin, but it's nice because it's only 120 calories for the whole thing. A lot of flatbreads are like over 200, 300 calories, so this is thin, but it's nice if you're trying to get beyond a low calorie diet. So now I'm going to top it off with pizza sauce. I'm going to measure out 60 milliliters, which is about 1/4 of a cup. And this comes out to 40 calories. Next, I'll be using mozzarella cheese. I'm going to measure out 56 grams, which comes out to about 160 calories. I'm gonna finish it off with some turkey pepperoni. Turkey pepperoni because it's lower in fat and calories. And I'm gonna place 20 slices on the pizza because that's how much fit. So I also saved some calories for some chicken to put on my pizza. So I just measured out the and did the math and measured out how much chicken I could have depending on how many calories I had left, and I'm just gonna add it to my pizza. Not including the chicken, the pizza comes out to 408 calories, and now I'm just gonna pop it in the oven for 10 minutes. I also love having ice cream for dinner, and I found these low calorie alternatives to ice cream, and I'll usually have 1 pint, so I'm having about 300 to 400 calories. And yeah, that's pretty much what I eat in a day. I also have supplements like pre workout and creatine, but I don't count those calories in my day. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks.